exactly. I think I would be that old Audi TT with no OT failure, which is what I want really. To make my life a hell of a lot easier.
Would that have the right gearbox in it?
No, but they bolt over. So I've got a local guy I keep meaning to go and see because I've got a spare gearbox. I'm literally going to go and say, right, you've got a BAM engine, hold this up. Even a flywheel on this, because the Audi A8 engine, that engine only came as an automatic, so I had to design a flywheel for it. I don't know if I'm making a flywheel. And that flywheel weighs 5 kilos.
If you have the later engine, that does have a manual.
It does.
Does that manual gearbox fit on this? No.
Yeah, it should do. Yeah, the late one, as long as you don't get the quattro box.
Flywheel, would that fit on this?
Yeah, yeah. I don't know if it fits. It's the 01E gearbox, the 01E, 01X gearbox, they're the same, so that fits. It's more getting it on the flywheel. And there's two flywheels, there's the 8 and the 10 bolt flywheel. But yeah, if I was building a petrol one of these, I'm almost definitely go one of two ways. Go for the later 3 litre V6, 3 litre V6 from the Audi, or the 1.8 turbo from the BAM engine. Having done all the other engines, I've kind of left bloody those ones to do.
Yeah. I think I've driven one of those BAM engines in S3.
Yeah, exactly the same engine. Exactly the same engine. You imagine that engine.
My cousin had the one in Swiss.
Did he have it? Did he have it powered up as well then? So it was like 400.
No, he didn't. I think he just had a remap on it.
Yeah, and he's still going to run probably 260.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. No, put it in. Not only that, you've got blow off valve. I run standalone ECU, so with the BAM. Which we're not on the maps. In this, you run a standalone or? Yeah, I've got standalone.